Hello friends, I am Gargi Nitin Thete, a student of MIT VGS Vakri, and I just appeared my 10th boards 2020, and in this video I am going to explain an example from one of my favorite chapters, that is surface areas and volumes. This here is an example, canal based example from exercise 13.3 question number 8. So let us start. First, I'll read the question for you so we will know what is given and what is there that we have to find out. So we'll just read first I'll read the question. Water in a canal which is 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. How much water will it irrigate if 8 cm of standing water is needed? So here what they have given is there is a canal which is 6 meter wide, 1.5 meter deep, flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour, and what we have to find is area it irrigates if in 30 minutes if 8 cm of standing water is needed. First we'll have to find out whether the canal is in the shape of a cylinder or cuboid. Here clearly they have given the width and the height of the canal. So obviously it is in the shape of a cuboid. So width is that is breadth is equal to 6 meter, height is equal to 1.5 meter, and length. Here we don't have length, that they haven't given us the length, but we can find it out from the speed. Here the speed is given 10 kilometers per hour, and we know the formula, that is speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to speed into time. So length of canal in 1 hour, length of water flowing in canal in 1 hour will be equal to 10 kilometer, that is equal to 10,000 meters, as 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Similarly, length of water flowing in canal in 30 minutes will be equal to, here 10,000 divided by 60 is the speed and into 30 is the time. So 10,000 divided by 60 into 30, speed into time is equal to 5,000 meters. So we have found out the length of the canal here. Length in 30 minutes is equal to 5,000 meters. Now volume of water in the canal flowing in 30 minutes will be equal to volume of water in the field. That is length into breadth into height will be equal to base area into height dash. Height dash, which is height, that is 8 cm of standing water, which is equal to 8 upon 100 meters, or we can write it as 0.08 meters. So here length is equal to 5,000 meters of this canal, breadth is equal to 6 meters, height is equal to 1.5 meters, and base area, that is area irrigated, will into height dash, which is 8 upon 100. So base area is equal to, we'll have to shift 8 by 100 to LHS, or you can directly take base area here and shift all the rest things, is equal to 5,000 into 6 into 15 by 10. We have written 1.5 as 15 by 10, and reciprocal of 8 by 100, that is 100 by 8. Now we'll have to solve it. Cut the zeros, then simplify 8. So finally you will have 500 into 3 into 15 into 25. 500 into 3 into 15 into 25. So 25 3s are 75, and 15 into 500 will be equal to 7,500. So solving this, which is 75 into 75, that is 5 into 5 25, and 7 is 56. 5625, and we'll have to write the 2 zeros as it is. So 5,62,500 meters square is what is the base area, which is area irrigated. But we cannot we can write it in meter square, but it is more accurate to write it in hectares. For that, we'll need to find the relation between meter squares and hectares, which I have written here. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Also in your NCERT textbook, they have given the answer in hectares. So 5,62,500 meter square, we will divide it by 10,000. First we'll cut the zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then here we have 5625 divided by 100. So we'll shift the decimal to left hand side by 2. So finally we'll get the answer 56.25 hectares. Hope you all understood the example, and thank you my dear maths teachers for your kind support throughout the year.